Oh, okay, so welcome back to another Gutless52 channel, and this is my drone. Unfortunately, I broke it. Well, a friend of mine broke it, and this is a soldering iron. That's so cool. And my friend Peter, he's going to be soldering it, and then we also have a microphone thing. I said thing because I don't know what it is, and there are people here.
There you go. Great. Rod's in there somewhere.
Just a weird thing. Just a weird people. Just a bunch of weird people. Okay. Begin. See ya. Dick. Okay, here comes the soldering. Soldering is on. That's amazing. So cool. So what are you doing, Peter?
Soldering the pin back on to go in the plug.
I hope you guys heard that. Because he is a legend.
Solder the wires back onto the board.
There's the board. Now don't forget, the black wire goes in board. I think that's right.
Yep, black wiring board.
Black wiring board. Now check out this doohickey.
That is
I know
an
what that is.
XT60 connector.
I know what it is. Peter, I'm not a total idiot.
Do you know where XT60s are normally used?
In robotics?
Helicopters. Or model aircraft.
One day I am going to upgrade my drone. One day. Don't start singing. Now remember guys, I have absolutely zero editing power, so if I make a mistake, like I stub my toe or I say fuck, I can't beat that out. So as I did in my first video, I do have swearing in it. Shut up, Peter. Okay, it's going back in with the soldering iron.
Josh, can you hold that about there, please? But can you keep your fingers so hold it back on these, so your fingers are further back. So neat. Just turn it that way slightly.
And stop. Video, I hope you guys can see this. If you can't, well that's just too bad.
Trying to get the old wire out. Down a little bit.
Cool. Shouldn't you be turning off that water?
I think I'm going to start it up again.
Fair enough. Don't you ever have to... Oh crap, my back's hurting. Don't you ever have to refill the gas?
Yeah. Got about half a tank.
Oh.
Flip that back over. Put that.
This is amazing! That was a bit close, Peter.
No, it wasn't.
You nearly welded my head off. I mean, soldered my head off. What would happen if that thing touched my phone on the back?
You get a nice big burn mark on your phone.
I don't want that. Now, credit to Peter, he is an absolute legend. He is just so amazing. He's just a really good shooter. Also, I have a shout out to make out. I have a shout out to go to my friend Zach Hatton. who inspired me to do this video. I also have a shout out to Matthew Jackson, and that's it. To my loyal subscribers, give me a comment. Back onto the drone. Oh, I'm going to screw with this drone's mind. I'm going to change around that black rotor with that rotor. Boom! Or is that bad to do?
Well, the coloured rotors are actually so you can tell which way around the drone is when it's flying.
And
So
how do
they
you...
actually screw with your mind more than the drones.
And how do you tell if the drone... How do you tell what drone... Which way the drone's flying?
What the colour of the rotors?
But which way? So...
You'll probably find the red rotors, or the red,
Orange.
is front.
Orange?
Orange, red.
Different. Don't say that they're the same. Because they're not. Wait, is the drone finished?
Yeah.
What? That's amazing. Okay. I don't want to bore you guys, so I'm just going to say that was this too.